This is Justin with Southwest Scaffolding, and I'm just showing you a scaffolding tower that we've put together, and we're gonna put this on our website and list all the parts and put a price on it, and that way if this is what you're looking for, you can just click on it and you'll have all the parts ready to go. And we'll just have these in some different heights. On this tower, we're using a single ladder 5x5 frame, and it's 4 high, so this is a little bit over 20 feet at the platform height. Once you get that tall, you have to put outriggers on it. So you see some outriggers on the bottom, and we also put a ladder on it, which is something that you don't see if you look at scaffolding towers online. Most of them do not have ladders on the side, but according to OSHA, this is what you have to climb, and it's not actually legal to climb the scaffold frames themselves because the rungs on the frames are too far apart to be considered climbable. At the top we have 3 aluminum 7-foot boards, and then we have a guardrail set, and then at the bottom we got some screw jacks, and that way if you're on something that's not completely flat, you can adjust it and make sure that the platform is level. So you can find this at swscaffolding.com, and that's with Southwest Scaffolding.